Welcome to the August 2024 issue of Cleaner Magazine. On the cover, how do you turn $1,500 into $2 million? Check out John Reese's journey in creating a drain cleaning empire. Learn how investing in top-notch equipment and assembling a dedicated team helped him tackle the toughest jobs and grow his business. Going from a one-person shop to 63 employees takes time and planning. Learn from EJ Plumbing and their unique strategies for tackling growth, from innovative use of trenchless technology to careful workforce development and a vision to provide total home services. Equipment theft is a bummer, but it's the reality we all have to deal with. Cleaner editor Kyle Rogers outlines some innovative strategies contractors are using to protect their valuable gear. We caught up with Burton Hydrovac in El Paso, Texas. They slashed costs by 75% using Jetstream drill jet nozzles. Single-pass cleaning that outperforms competitors? Yes, please. Accidents happen even when all safety protocols are being followed. Learn how to conduct a thorough incident investigation to help ensure it doesn't happen again and again. Accounting is the least exciting part of your business, but the latest integrated software solutions can at least make it less painful. Check out the benefits that will make your business better. The 2024 Water Blasting and Water Jetting Directory is the who's who of manufacturers that provide this critical equipment. Turn to page 42. Concrete removal is a hard task. Unless you're using Aquajet's Superlance 3000, that is. It's the ultimate tool for tackling tough jobs efficiently. The newest innovations in water jetting technology make it easier than ever to tackle tough jobs. Stay up to date with the latest in the product focus. Thank you for watching, and thank you for reading Cleaner Magazine. See you next month.